Hi, Mingel Jack, congratulations sa wedding nyo. Sorry we were not able to make it and go there and celebrate it with you. Anyway, we'll make up for it when you come here to Manila. Anyways, enjoy your wedding, your wedding day, your party, whatever, and ikaw, what do you want to say?
Congratulations and best wishes. All I can say is that you did the right thing, and you've been together for so many years. So all you have to do is put God in the center of your life, and everything that you will be doing, yan, shared together na yan, ha? So give and take, keep it burning and alive all the time. We love you, and sorry you can't make it, but you'll be here naman next year. We'll be with the church ready. Thank you.
So, we'll be expecting you soon, in a month or two. So, Jack, be ready, yung bahay alak mo,
Take
Okay.
care, the both of you.
Sige.
Love you.
We'll barbecue every day. Okay, bye-bye.
Hi guys!
Congratulations!
Congratulations! Jack, take care of Bing, and Bing, you be a good wife.
Although we can't celebrate with you there today, we're looking forward to your wedding here in the
Yes,
Philippines.
we will be
So come
attending.
home soon!
Come home and we will be attending in Manila. Wait, somebody wants to greet.
Moms and Jack, congratulations!
Okay guys.
Enjoy your day. We love you.
Enjoy. We
Take
love you.
care.
Bye.